Ever wanted to customize your own camper van, but felt overwhelmed by the process? Fear not, because in today's video, we'll be showing you the secrets to hassle-free camper van conversions utilizing convenient conversion kits. These kits offer flexibility and a personal touch that store-bought options simply can't match. They're also surprisingly easy to install and cheaper than you think. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe and let's get right into it. Road Loft. The Road Loft Camper Conversion Kit is like having a seasoned traveler guide you through the ins and outs of van life. With 3 years of real-world experience across North America behind it, this kit is designed with practicality and convenience in mind. Every inch of space is optimized for functionality, making life on the road a breeze. And when it comes to quality, rest assured, they've used only the best materials. Marine-grade plywood and non-toxic varnish ensure durability and longevity so that you can focus on the journey ahead. Installation? Easy peasy. No need to be a DIY expert. Just follow the simple instructions and you're good to go. While customization options are limited, there's plenty of clever storage solutions to keep your gear organized. And let's talk about comfort. An 80-inch bed with a high-density mattress means you'll be sleeping like a baby. Not to mention, it's also incredibly cheap at just $4,590. ZenVanz. The ZenVanz DIYkit offers a versatile solution for those looking to customize their camper van to fit their lifestyle. Its layout and design are thoughtfully crafted, with options for curved edges to avoid sharp corners and maximize space efficiency. Quality and durability are prioritized, with components made from durable materials like bamboo and aluminum, ensuring longevity on the road. Ease of installation is a key feature, with pre-drilled holes and factory-compatible designs, making assembly straightforward for DIY enthusiasts. Customization options abound, allowing users to tailor their van to their specific needs and preferences. Ample storage options and space optimization techniques ensure that every inch of the van is utilized efficiently. Comfort and convenience features, such as passenger side galleys and customizable layouts, enhance the overall camping experience, making life on the road both enjoyable and practical. Happier Camper A4V. Ever dreamt of hitting the open road without a headache? Well, the Happier Camper A4V makes it a reality. It features an ingenious layout and flexible customization options that seamlessly transition between sleeping, dining, and lounging setups, all with minimal effort. Crafted with high-quality materials like fiberglass, it ensures durability and longevity for your journeys. And let's talk about setup. It's a breeze. No complicated instructions or endless hardware. Just straightforward installation that gets you rolling in no time. Plus, you've got loads of customization options, allowing you to tailor your van's interior to your specific needs and preferences. Storage and space optimizations are also not a problem, maximized through clever design features, including integrated storage compartments and perimeter benches that accommodate wheel wells. There's even a cozy reading area if you want. Timbervan DIYkit. The Timbervan DIYkit offers yet another versatile solution for van conversions, boasting a thoughtfully crafted layout and design that maximizes space and functionality. Quality and durability are top priorities here, with marine-grade flooring and Baltic birch cabinetry built to last through countless miles. Like every other conversion in this list, installation is a breeze, with custom-cut paneling and pre-installed wiring harnesses. Of course, it's got loads of customization options as well, from adding windows for a breath of fresh air to upgrading to a cozy Webasto heater for chilly nights. The choice is yours. And let's not forget about storage and space optimization. Plenty of clever nooks and crannies for all your gear. Plus, comfort and convenience features like a full water system and Goal Zero Yeti electrical setup ensure you're ready for anything the road throws your way. Campboks. The Campboks is like your camping Swiss Army knife, turning your vehicle into a cozy home on wheels without breaking a sweat. Crafted with care in Austria by Paul and Lottie, it's a testament to quality and durability. built to withstand the rigors of the open road for years to come. Setting it up is as easy as pie, taking just minutes to slide it into place and screw in securely. No need for complicated installations or expert skills. And hey, customization? You got it! Tailor it to fit your ride perfectly, whether it's a VW, Sprinter, or anything in between. But what really sets it apart is how it maximizes every inch of space. From the fold-out bench that's also your bed, to the clever storage solutions tucked away underneath. It's like a TARDIS. Small on the outside, but surprisingly roomy on the inside. Plus, with comfy seating and thoughtful touches, like a foldable sink for easy cleanup, it's camping made comfy and convenient, wherever the road takes you. Vancubic. The Vancubic Camper in a Box system is a versatile solution for turning cargo vans into fully equipped camper vans. Its modular design features a clever layout, with a kitchen module and a living room/bedroom module seamlessly fitting together inside the van's cargo space. The design incorporates upscale touches like wood look counters and ambient ceiling lighting, enhancing its overall aesthetic. Built with durable materials, the Vancubic system ensures quality and long-term durability for extended road trips. It utilizes modules that can be easily secured with straps and allow users to tailor their setup to their preferences, with choices like adding a fold-out dining table or a bunk bed. Despite its compact size, the system optimizes storage and space efficiently, maximizing every inch of available room. With features like a fold-out shower pan and comfortable sleeping arrangements, the Vancubic Camper in a Box offers both comfort and convenience for travelers on the go. Trakka Trakkit. The Trakkit stands out as an ingenious solution for those itching to craft their own adventure van experience. Its robust construction ensures durability, a testament to Trakka's commitment to quality. The design, characterized by a modular approach, grants users the freedom to piece together their dream setup effortlessly. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the intuitive baseplate system that lays the groundwork for easy stacking of modules. Customization is where Trakkit truly shines, offering a plethora of options to tailor the van to individual tastes and needs. Space optimization is cleverly integrated into the design, ensuring efficient use of every nook and cranny for storage and comfort. From a well-equipped kitchenette to convenient power stations, Trakkit doesn't compromise on the essentials. Spacecamper. The modular Serial 7 from Spacecamper showcases a thoughtfully designed layout aimed at maximizing space and functionality. Its clever fold-out bed system ensures a comfortable sleeping area while leaving ample room for cargo underneath. Built with quality materials, it promises durability for long-term use, making it a reliable choice for travelers. Installation is made hassle-free thanks to its modular design, allowing for easy customization according to individual needs. Additional options like pull-out storage drawers and a kitchen unit offer practical storage solutions and space optimization. Furthermore, features such as the swivel table and table boxes enhance comfort and convenience, providing versatile dining and workspace options both inside and outside the vehicle. In essence, the Spacecamper Modular Serial 7 delivers a well-rounded camper van experience, prioritizing comfort, convenience, and adaptability for travelers. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, show us some love by hitting that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more innovative videos like this one. Also, feel free to check out more camper vans right here.